Hello, my name is Rutuja Chandekar. I have completed my BE in Computer Science in 2018 from Aurangabad University. I heard about AttainU through my friend who had already enrolled for the AttainU course. The most useful part of the course was the assignments and CCs which are given on daily basis and mentors are allotted to students who help solving them. The placement experience was in AttainU was very good. The team is very supportive. They help in from resume building till the final placements. My advice to future AttainU students is to keep practicing every day by solving the CCs and assignments, which helps a lot during the placements. Thank you.